I was sent two different eye creams to compare, and obviously size, starting out, you can tell this one's a lot bigger than this one, and we have the pump style here, and then this one's going to be that air pump style. So a little bit different on the styles as well as the sizes, but they both have some similar ingredients. So they both have vitamin E in it. They both have peptides in it. Peptides are really good for anti-aging. And then this one has vitamin C natural extracts, while this one by Baebody has what's called Matrixyl 3000. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but Matrixyl 3000. So a different ingredient right there for skincare. The goal with eye cream is to usually brighten the area, depuff, get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. So let's check it out. Okay, just got this one. So pumping it a couple times to prime it. Here is the serum. It is like a clear color. And it seems like one pump is more than enough for both eyes, but because I'm going to compare them, I'm just going to use it on one eye each. So I might have a little extra serum going on right now for this eye. So let's kind of dab that off and let that really saturate and absorb into my skin. It feels nice and cool. Okay, let's use my other hand for this one by EltaMD, the Renew Eye Gel. Okay, there's one pump, probably enough for both eyes, but I'm going to go ahead and just use it on one eye. Actually, I would say that one pump is probably good for one eye. Okay, I'm just kind of like doing a quick little dabbing motion with my finger and letting it all set in. Now, both of these you can use day or night, and let's just give it about a minute to really absorb, and I'll be back with the results. Everything has absorbed, and I actually can see instant results, which is not always typical because really you want to use something consistently and you'll start seeing results usually about 30 days in. But I'm already noticing a couple differences. So we'll start with this one by EltaMD. I feel like this one did a really good job of brightening my eye area. I think it's a little brighter than this one. And when I used a magnifying mirror, I could see that my fine lines and wrinkles were a little more smoothed instantly with this one. Now, this eye gel by Baebody, I feel like did a really good job depuffing the area instantly. So you can kind of see how it's less puffy, again, brighter, less puffy. And this one did work on fine lines and wrinkles, but I felt like this one worked just a little stronger. I'm going to keep using both. I think they're absolutely fabulous, and I think you're going to love them.